We have the first case of a dog with confirmed monkeypox infection that might have been acquired through human transmission. I know you guys have seen the headlines. The story is basically, this was a report that was published in the journal The Lancet. It's a medical journal. They say that 2 men who have sex with men attended a hospital in Paris, France. This was on June 10th. One man, 44 years old, and the other man, 27 years old. The case report, I should say, goes into more detail about their specifics. I'm sort of just giving a very general overview because I want to just tell you kind of the nuts and bolts, and you can take a look at the study more specifically. The men are non-exclusive partners living in the same household, and of course they gave consent for their case to be talked about. You can see pictures of the lesions that the men had, and then you can also see pictures of lesions that the animal had. Okay, 12 days after the symptom onset, the Italian Greyhound dog, who is a male, who belonged to the 2 men, the dog is 4 years old, had no previous medical problems, was not underlying sick or things like that, started developing lesions, including abdominal pustules, which means lesions on the abdomen, and a thin ulceration on the dog's bottom. Okay, the dog tested positive for monkeypox virus as well. They compared the type of virus of monkeypox from the animal and the people, and the samples were consistent, meaning it was like the same type of strain, etc. I should also mention that the men apparently had been co-sleeping with their dog, but apparently they had been very careful to prevent their dog from contacting other pets or humans from the onset of symptoms. So that's important. Take a look at this. I'm going to tell you more about what we know between animals and people and how the virus can be spread. We have to remember that monkeypox is zoonotic, which means, yes, infected animals can spread monkeypox to people, and it's possible that people who have monkeypox can spread the monkeypox virus to animals through close contact. That includes things like petting the animal, cuddling, hugging, kissing, licking, sharing sleeping areas, and sharing food. By the way, this is according to the CDC. I should note that the CDC says it does not currently believe monkeypox poses a high risk to pets at this time, but they also say they're continuing to monitor the situation closely. They do recommend that people with monkeypox avoid contact with animals, including pets, to prevent spreading the virus. So if you have monkeypox and you have not been in contact with your pets, please ask your family and friends to be the animal's caretaker until you get better. And then after you get better, make sure that you disinfect your home before bringing the animal back in. Again, this is according to the CDC. They have a lot of information on how to disinfect your home, more information about animals, pets, and monkeypox, so make sure you check out their website.